Hello health champions! If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving deep into a common skin issue, blackheads. We'll explore what causes them and provide effective solutions to get rid of them for good. Stay tuned to the end for some tips you won't want to miss. First, let's understand what blackheads are. Blackheads are a type of acne that form when pores become clogged with dead skin cells, oil, and bacteria. Unlike whiteheads, blackheads remain open, causing the material inside to oxidize and turn black. There are several factors that contribute to the formation of blackheads. 1. Excess oil production. Overactive sebaceous glands can produce too much oil, leading to clogged pores. 2. Dead skin cells. If dead skin cells aren't shed regularly, they can mix with oil and block pores. 3. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations, especially during puberty, menstruation, and pregnancy, can increase oil production. 4. Poor skincare routine. Not cleansing your face properly or using products that aren't suitable for your skin type can lead to blackheads. 5. Diet. Consuming high glycemic foods and dairy products can trigger blackhead formation. Now that we know what causes blackheads, let's discuss how to get rid of them effectively. Effective ways to get rid of blackheads. Here are some tried and true methods to eliminate blackheads and keep them from coming back. 1. Salicylic acid cleanser. Salicylic acid helps to exfoliate the skin and clear out pores. Use a gentle salicylic acid cleanser daily to prevent blackheads. 2. Clay masks. Clay masks are excellent for absorbing excess oil and deep cleaning pores. Apply a clay mask once or twice a week to keep your skin clear. 3. Retinoids. Retinoids can help increase cell turnover and prevent clogged pores. Use over-the-counter retinoids or consult a dermatologist for a prescription. 4. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can clog pores. Use a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant 2 to 3 times a week. 5. Non-comedogenic products. Use skincare and makeup products labeled as non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores. This helps to prevent blackheads from forming. 6. Pore strips. Pore strips can provide a temporary solution by removing blackheads from the surface. Use them sparingly as overuse can irritate the skin. 7. Professional treatments. Consider professional treatments like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or extractions by a dermatologist. Let's recap. 1. Using a salicylic acid cleanser. 2. Applying a clay mask. 3. Exfoliating the skin. 4. Using non-comedogenic products. 5. Pore strips application. Preventing blackheads. Prevention is key when it comes to blackheads. Here are some tips to keep them at bay. 1. Consistent skincare routine. Maintain a consistent skincare routine with cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. 2. Balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit high glycemic foods and dairy products. 3. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. 4. Avoid touching your face. Avoid touching your face with dirty hands to prevent transferring bacteria and oils. 5. Regular check UPS. Visit a dermatologist regularly for professional advice and treatments. Blackheads can be a persistent issue, but with the right approach, you can get rid of them for good. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more skincare tips and advice, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and take care of your skin.